Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to customize the screen timeout in our Motorola phone device. So let's see friend, how can you customize your screen timeout guys? If your screen guys off only just some minutes and second, so you can customize yourself. So as now let's see. First of all, open your phone setting guys and guys scroll it. Then guys you can see your display setting. So guys tap here. And guys this advanced, click here and guys scroll screen timeout. So guys tap here, so you can adjust from yourself guys, like 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 30 minute. So example guys, you will click on this 10 minute. So guys after 10 minutes of inactivity, so your phone screen is on. So guys after 10 minutes your phone screen will off guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to customize the screen timeout in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. And guys, I am really sorry about this sound guys, ignore it, focus on only video. Bye bye friends, thanks.